Panasonic Eneloop 4 AA battery charger kit. It also supports AAA batteries. I'll show you later. It features a foldable plug and supports 100 volts to 240 volts range. And output is rated at, when charging 4 AA's, it's gonna be 300 milliamps and 150 milliamps when charging 4 AAA batteries. So that's only half of the power output when you use AAA batteries. And I'm gonna test that later. The total power output is around 4 watts. And these are rated at, the current state of charge is around 1.34 volts for these fresh Eneloop batteries. And I also have pretty old Panasonic nickel metal hydride batteries. And that little slot is a clever design that would accommodate AAA batteries. As I put in all 4, it's outputting 2.6 watts. And really depending on the state of charge of these, I believe these are around 1.2 volts right now. Yeah, it's a great charger, very consistent. It's going to be a very useful tool for some frequently used electronics like a gaming console controller or remotes for RC cars. Yeah, be environmental friendly and use rechargeable batteries instead of keep getting non-rechargeable ones. When charging one, it's 1.1 watts, 1.5. It fluctuates a little bit, as you can see. I think it is doing the pulse charging cycle for these batteries. It's very interesting to look at. Yeah, when 4 are plugged in, it's doing 4 watts only. And if I remove 2, 2.6, 3 watts to 1.2 watts. Yeah, it is clearly an advanced battery charger, and will do different things according to the load, depending on how many batteries you put in. When 4 are put in, it's 4 watts, so it's 1 watt per cell, and it doesn't fluctuate at all. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this review helpful.